Edmonton in their zone.
Oh, man, did he get nailed. What a hit.
Edmonton has an opportunity now. Goal! He scores the first goal of the game in front of the home crowd.
Yep, he handled that one himself, Randy. Let's take another look.
And there's nothing wrong with that if you can score like he just did.
He just pulled up in the slot and delivered the puck to a nice section of ice behind the goaltender.
Yep, that's the perfect home for the puck if you're the guy shooting. Nice play. Now the Wild right back in. He shoots it. Oh, the goalie could kiss that post right now. Out. Goal! Right out of the gates, and the home team on top one zip. What a great way to start the game.
This shot ricocheted off the left post. Wow, check out the replay.
That's an unmistakable sound, and the goalie's head will probably be ringing for a while.
You could hear it all over the arena. You could be out at the concession stand buying a hot dog and know what just happened. A close shot or a goal.
Jokinen, Iginla handles it, and now Calgary with it across the blue line. It's shot. They stuff the shot. Goal! Right out the gates, and the home team on top one zip. What a great way to start the game.
This shot ricocheted off the left post. Wow, check out the replay.
And a 180-degree turn in emotions for that shooter in a split second. From agony to elation.
Yeah, Randy, these things can give you heart palpitations, let me tell you.
All's well that ends well, though. Colorado grabs it. They're onside. Here's Stastny. And here's Stastny. Ricochets off the post. And here's Volsky. And a goal! He scores the first goal of the game in front of the home crowd.
Just a blast that time by the shooter, and it gets through everything in its way. The post, the goalie, heck, it could have gotten through a brick wall.
Well, the stars were certainly aligned for him there. He couldn't have placed that shot any better if he tried.
And the goalie didn't have time to make the save. Before he knew it, it was behind him.
Yep, put it on the scoreboard. There it is, Edmonton on the rush. He's hammered by Willie Mitchell. Now Vancouver. With the move. He scores!
Here's a guy that really throws the D. Amazing job of executing in the face of some not-so-bad defense.
Here's a situation where the D-man brought his A game, and I think played him pretty well.
But that's not always good enough in the NHL, as we all know.